Hello everybody, I'm Apsana Frasta, the coordinator of Ashura Shield. Ashura Shield is running in its 36th year, and this time we are trying to make it nationals. So to make you acquainted with what Ashura Shields look like, this is something called a demo. We are showing you the participants and some rules and regulations. I hope this works for you.
I'm Ankita Border, the supervisor of the Ashura Shield. I'm here to brief you out with some general rules. First and very important rule of Ashura Shield, you have to follow the PSP rule. PSP rule is pronunciation, spelling, followed by the pronunciation. That is, if the spelling master gives the word apple, you have to pronounce it first. That is apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple. This is the way you follow the PSP rule. The second important rule, it is the verdict. There's speller checker and the double checker. After the speller completes his or her words, his or her spelling, the checker or the double checker, they need to give the verdict. The verdict means you have to say whether the speller and the checker are correct or incorrect. And if the checker and the double checker does not give the verdict, that will be considered an error. The third rule, it is if you get confused with the word while you are spelling, if the word is a little long, if you mumble in between, you have to stop there, you have to say sorry and again follow the PSP rule. If you don't do this, even that will be considered an error. There is one round called general round. Only in this round, only in the general round, you will be allowed to ask the users of the word, the meaning of the word and the part of speech. Now, we the organizing committee members as well as the volunteers are going to show you a short demo. First, we are going to do it the general round.
Hi, I'm Niga Mananda. I'm the spelling master for today's match. This is Ankita Powder. She's the judge. This is Apsana Shrestha. She's the error keeper. Today's match, we have 4 teams. Team A, Team B, Team B, Team C, and Team D. We have seen each team has 3 members, but during the competition we allow 1 substitute as well. So each team will actually have 4 members. Now we're going to do a small briefing of how the general round goes on. We will be highlighting the errors and the correct way of pronouncing and spelling the words. The captain of Team A, Team B, and Team C, please stand up. The captain of Team A is the speller, captain of Team B is the checker, and captain of Team C is the double checker. The word for you is knowledge.
Knowledge. Knowledge. Knowledge.
Correct.
Both the speller and checker are correct.
Now we're going to show the mistake that students do for the PSP rule. For you is parlor.
P-A-R-L-O-U-R, parlor.
Speller is incorrect. The correct spelling is parlor. P-A-R-L-O-U-R, parlor.
The speller is incorrect and the checker is correct.
The speller was incorrect, but the checker and the double checker were correct. Though the speller gave the correct spelling, she forgot to follow the PSP rule, that is the pronunciation, spelling and the pronunciation rule. She did not open the word, instead she just spelled it and closed it. That is an error.
The word for you is socket.
Socket. S-O-C-K-E-T, socket.
The speller is spelling. The speller spelled The speller spelled socket. S-O-C-K-E-T, socket.
Socket.
S-O-C-K-E-T, socket.
The speller is incorrect and the checker is correct.
No. I'm sorry, in this case, all of them were incorrect. The speller, he opened the word, spelled it and closed the word, but he mumbled in between and forgot to open the word once again. That is, he forgot to start the word again. So that is an error. The checker, she opened the word, spelled it and closed it. That was alright, but she forgot to give the verdict. That is an error. and the double checker, she had to say the speller was incorrect. Both of them were sorry. She had to say that both of them were incorrect, but she said both of them were correct, so that is an error as well. I'm sorry, all of you are incorrect. The speller, he opened the word, spelled it and closed it, but he mumbled in between, and after doing that, you'll have to say sorry and start from the PSP rule again. So the speller was incorrect. The checker, she opened the word, spelled it and closed it, which was correct, but she forgot to give the verdict. That was, she had to say the speller was incorrect, and after that she had to spell the word. So the checker is incorrect as well. And the double checker, she said that the speller was incorrect, but the checker was correct. And in this case, both of them were incorrect, the double checker is incorrect as well.
D-I-S-T.
The word for you is disentangle.
Disentangle. D-I-S-T-I-A-N-G-L-E. Disentangle. May I have the meaning of the word, please?
The meaning of the word disentangle is to separate.
Disentangled. D-I-S-E-N-T-A-N-G-L-E-D. Disentangled.
Both of them are incorrect. The speller spelled it in a wrong way and the checker didn't give the verdict. Disentangled. D-I-S-E-N-T-A-N-G-L-E-D. Disentangled.
In this case, only the double checker is correct. The speller, she spelled the spelling incorrectly. The checker, though she was correct, she forgot to give the verdict. So that is an error. And the double checker, she gave the verdict, she followed the PSP rule and spelled the spelling correctly. That is, only the double checker is correct.
We're going to go over this word again in the correct way so that you have a better understanding of how it's supposed to be. The word for you is disentangle.
Disentangled. D-I-S-E-N-T-A-N-G-L-E-D. Disentangled.
The speller is correct.
Both the speller and the checker are correct.
The word for you is trouser.
Trouser. Trouser. T-R-O-U-S-E-R. Trouser.
The speller is correct.
Both the speller and the checker are correct.
I'm really sorry, I'm not going to count this word. The organizing panel noticed that a member of Team A was hinting the speller, so I'm not going to count this word.
The word is cancelled.
And there is minus 14.
And there is a deduction for team A, minus 10. And if you are found cheating again, you will be disqualified from the round. You will not be given any papers or pencils to write down, and you are not even allowed to discuss with your teammates.
When anyone is spelling, we should not prompt or hint that may lead us to disqualification.
So the most important thing is to listen to the spelling masters and spell the word correctly following the PSP rule, that is pronunciation, spelling and pronunciation.
You should be loud and distinct while spelling the word. When the speller is spelling the word, we should listen very carefully so that we give the right verdict. If you are not clear while spelling the word, whatever the error keeper determines will be the final verdict. So you have to spell the word carefully.
Every speller gets 45 seconds in this general round, so think and then spell correctly. Don't rush.
If you're confused about the word, you can ask the spell master about the meaning of the word.
If you're still confused, you can ask for the sentence of the word.
If you don't know the pronunciation of the word, you can ask for the correct pronunciation and this speech.
If you're not clear about the spelling spelled by the speller, you can ask the error keeper.
Hope you understood the rules and regulations told by my friends. Thank you.
You're given 45 seconds to spell a word, and if you cannot spell the word, you can simply say pass.
In the rapid fire round, the captain will be spelling for the entire team. In this round, the team does not get to ask the meaning, the usage, or the part of speech. In this round, it is not compulsory that you follow the PSP rule, but you have to close the word. If you want to follow the PSP rule, it's okay, but it is usually time consuming, but it's up to you, but you do have to close the word. Since the rapid fire round is a team round, team members are allowed to discuss, but it might be time consuming. Each team gets 1 minute for this round. The spell master will keep on giving the words and you can spell as many words as you like, but the time limit is 1 minute, not more than that. Content.
C-O-N-T-E-N-T, content.
Perform.
Perform. P-E-R-F-O-R-M, perform.
Grain.
Sorry?
Grain.
Grain. G-R-A-I-N, grain.
Elastic.
Elastic. E-L-A-S-T-I-C, elastic.
Boat.
B-O-A-T, boat.
Adverb.
A-D-V-E-R-B, adverb.
Handkerchief.
H-A-N-D-K-E-R-C-H-I-E-F, handkerchief.
Adverb.
A-D-V-E-R-B, adverb.
Vowel.
V-O-W-E-L, vowel.
Towel.
T-O-W-E-L, towel.
Paper.
P-A-P-E-R, paper.
Silence.
S-I-L-A-N-C-E, silence.
Marker.
M-A-R-K-E-R, marker.
Curtain.
C-U-R-T-A-I-N, curtain.
Pencil.
P-E-N-C-I-N, pencil.
Rhododendron.
R-H-O-D-E-N-D-R-O-N, rhododendron.
Time's up. Time's up. As you just saw, the team got 1 minute and the captain spelled as many words as she could within 1 minute. After the round is over, the organizing panel, will be checking the answers and give the marks accordingly. And in this round, there is negative marking for a wrong answer and plus point for a correct answer. Team D spells 9 words correct and 1 word incorrect, so it is +9 and -1 for the rapid fire round.